Yeah, hi guys, it's Frankie again. In this video I'm going to do a bit of an introduction into ScrapeBox and sort of the first look around the tool, because it's quite a powerful tool and it's got a lot of functionality, so it may be a bit overwhelming at first, but it's really not that hard. So we've downloaded ScrapeBox, we've unzipped it, and this is what we've got. You'll see that there's several folders inside. What these are all just sample files. You don't actually use these. They're just all plain text files. They're in folders based on what they do. So comment poster, we've got our names, emails, websites, and that's just got default data for you to look at. So yeah, just open these up, take a look, and you'll see what's meant to go in them, but you don't actually use what's in any of these files here. They're just simply to show you what to do. So all these ones are just sample data. Your blacklists, I've done another video on blacklists, so that one there's just a blocking list for ScrapeBox. If you see the other video, you'll learn all about that one. Also, you've got two files here, footprint and ScrapeBox. So I've got one open here, or I've got both of them open. This is ScrapeBox file. You don't really have to worry about that, but what it is, it just contains your customized settings. So when you shut down ScrapeBox and reopen it, it'll remember all your customizations, because ScrapeBox doesn't make any changes to your computer whatsoever. It doesn't change anything in your registry, nothing. So instead it uses this, so you don't really have to worry about the scrapebox.ini or any file. If you delete that, it doesn't matter. ScrapeBox will make another one with the default data. And you've got your footprint, and what this is, just a plain text file, and these are different footprints, and you can build a custom footprint library in ScrapeBox. So if you want, you can open your footprint settings file. You can delete things out of it, you can add things in it. So that's what those two are. I'll just shut that one down, and then you've got ScrapeBox. So we'll get it up and running, and here it is. So bring that onto the screen. This is it. You've just opened it. Actually, you won't have those in the list. That was me mucking around. So here it is. You opened it. You'll see over here there's a scroller that gives you the news and that sort of thing. You'll have license and so forth down the bottom. So we'll go up the top here to the menu system first. This one just exit ScrapeBox. You've got the tools menu up here. As you can see, there's three entries here to do with blacklists. I've done a video on those ones if you want to see that and learn a bit more. Down here we've got names generator. If you want to sort of make some default names for your commenting, I'll just download this. It says the names list needed to generate, it doesn't exist. You want to download it to your computer. That doesn't come with ScrapeBox, it's optional. So I'll just download that. You only got to download it once and it's on your system, and that's done there now. And up pops the names generator, and we've got, what's that, half a billion, close to half a billion random names that you can generate. So you can pick male, female, the amount of names. So I'll just quickly show you that one. Generate, done. There's 300 random names, and that's based on I think it's US census data. You can save those out to a file and use them in the commenter. So that's that one. Comes with a built-in names generator. What else have we got? We've got port scanner. This is really, you don't have to take much note of this, but I mean, if as a matter of interest, it will show you the the time, the IP, and all the connection data when ScrapeBox is running. But as I said, that's not really important to get started. What else have we got? We've got and create a desktop shortcut if you want to create a shortcut. Next one over, we've got projects. I've also done a video on the projects, but that just basically allows you to save the data that you've got loaded in the tool. You can save and load the whole application environment. So I'll go ahead and do that one now. Projects, demo environment. That's loaded. See what that's done here is it's populated my footprint, keywords, the proxies I last used, everything I had ticked, the URLs in the harvester, and so the environment means you can save the whole state of ScrapeBox, and you can save multiple states. So in other words, if you want to shut down the computer, you've got all your data loaded into ScrapeBox everywhere. You can simply save the whole application environment, and next time when you start ScrapeBox you can load the environment and you're back where you started. It's like you never shut down the tool. So that's what that one is. And the poster project will just save the data in this commenter section down the bottom here. So whatever you've got ticked, whatever you got loaded down there, you can save and load that option. So that's that one. Over here in the settings menu, we've got adjust maximum connections. When you open up this one here, you'll see that there's a number of options for connections, and this is how many connections ScrapeBox will use at once. So if you've got a slow internet connection, you can adjust each one down to a lower value. If you've got a fast internet connection, you can adjust these up. So I mean, you can sort of tweak this to suit your connection. Same with the timeout setting. Your timeouts, how long ScrapeBox will wait when it's sort of loading each URL or performing a function. So I mean, if you find you're getting a lot of timeouts, you might have it set too low and you have to raise it. But they're your timeout and connection settings. It gives you sort of full control over your connection and how it performs. Next one down here, you got thorough comment mode. That's for the commenter, obviously. And with that one ticked, what that'll do, that's mainly designed if you're using free proxies that are sort of prone to not working temporarily. Thorough comment mode will attempt 3 comments on any URL if it encounters a failed proxy or a 404. So that just gives you sort of more chance of successfully commenting. Post only using slow poster. Again, that's another option related to the comment poster. There's 2 modes, fast and slow. Same with these ones here. You can skip the slow, start it automatically. I'll cover them in another video. You've got right to harvest a crash dump file and right to post a crash dump file. And what they are is when you're harvesting URLs, some people harvest or scrape millions of URLs from Google, and I mean, if you've had it running for hours on end, you've scraped millions of URLs. Say the power goes out, something crashes. You don't want to lose, hours worth of harvesting. So having these enabled will write sort of your harvested URLs and also your poster status to text files in the ScrapeBox directory. They'll be